Hey, this is Chuck from the marketing team at Solston, and I'm going to show you how to increase landing page conversion rates in 5 steps using our product, Alaris. Alaris is the first psychologically intelligent AI for personalized content creation. It uses our psychological database representing 3.4 billion people globally with data on hundreds of thousands of brands and interests and media properties to create resonant content really fast. So in this example, I'm going to market men's suits to Zara. You can see we have data on Zara, Zara Home, and Zara Kids. The first step is to identify the psychological profiles of your target visitors. I'm going to use this prompt to do that. You can find all of these prompts in the blog post or YouTube description, whichever your place you're watching this video. You can see Alaris very quickly identifies 5 psychological segments within the Zara audience and identifies their personality, thinking style, evaluation process of each. And it tells you how personality traits and thinking styles influence evaluation. Next, we're going to understand the decision-making barriers for each of these segments, and we're going to use this prompt to do that. You can see that Alaris very quickly identifies barriers, friction points for each of the psychological segments. It gives you some key takeaways. The next step is to structure content to match their information processing style. We're going to use this prompt to do that. You can see that Zara very quickly identifies the information processing preferences by psychological segment. It tells you the optimal structure for landing pages. It tells you why this will work. The next step is to craft messaging that addresses their core motivations. We're going to use this prompt to do that. See, for each psychological segment, it gives you messaging themes and value propositions, headline examples, and CTA examples. And key takeaways. The final step is to design elements that create psychological trust and urgency. We're going to use this prompt to do that. And you can see that Alaris, for each psychological segment, tells you how to reduce anxiety and create urgency based on their psychological traits and motivations. It gives you key takeaways at the end. Alaris is free to try, so give this workflow a shot for your brand and the landing page you're trying to increase conversion rates on. Let me know how it goes in the comments.